HR management now at owners' fingertips. Nowadays, startup entrepreneurs look for financially sustainable code and resources from which they can achieve their desired target in less money, less manpower, less raw materials, etc. The outcomes must be powerful now. If we take a look on the finances, more than half of the money spent on hiring skillful and passionate employees, while hiring workforce is a little tricky process as it requires a separate department which is called as the HR management department. A startup organization keeping a separate HR department doubles the cost of budget. The solution to this problem is now in your hands, not in the hands but on fingertips. Yes, you read it right. Sutra HR has launched its new product, Startup HR Toolkit. Startup HR Toolkit constitutes ready-to-use HR templates for different stages of the HR process. The toolkit has been structured and designed by the company based on their experience of managing the HR operations for startup and established companies. The main aim of Startup HR Toolkit is to help companies manage their HR processes independently without any hiring separate HR team. HR Toolkit can be ideally used by startup entrepreneurs, small business owners, HR generalists and managers, HR MBA and diploma students. What is unique about HR Toolkit? Startup HR Toolkit provides HR templates. By using these templates, one can manage the HR processes by creating HR documents in a hassle-free manner, as it comprises the customization of the document as per the preference of the companies. The toolkit not only saves money and increases productivity, but also it minimizes the problems of HR documentation by providing ready-to-use documents and forms such as employee policy forms, offer letters, employee agreement form, candidate evaluation form, salary structure, performance appraisal letter, etc. How to use HR Toolkit? The Startup HR Toolkit costs just Rs 3,999. The process of getting this toolkit is very easy. Just need to follow 4 simple steps. Buy now, payment, download, set up your HR process. Once the payment is confirmed, they will send you the login details that you can use to download the immensely useful toolkit. About the founder and the company, Waqar Azmi is a serial entrepreneur and adventurous traveler. He is the founder and CEO of Sutra Services Private Limited, the parent company behind Startup HR Toolkit. His entrepreneurial journey started with just Rs 5,000 as seed capital and 10 clients in its first year. Now Sutra HR has clientele of 1,000 plus startups. He has worked closely with the founders of Ola, Practo, Pretty Secrets, Miss Malini, Pharmacy, Dream11, etc. His experience of working with numerous HR professionals and startups has helped him understand the problem of HR documentation faced by them. This led him to the idea of creating an HR toolkit which helps such HR professionals and business owners to make any HR docs in minutes. In this coming few years, the mission of the company is to change the way companies look at human resources management and make the lives of HR professionals easier and happier. That's all for today. Now this is Palak Gupta signing off, and we'll be back with some more news in the next video. Till then, stay connected, stay safe. Thank you.